This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the same Apple ID on the device you'll use. Open Settings or System Preferences and tap or click Apple ID, then iCloud. Make sure Photos is toggled on so the device uploads and syncs images. If you use a web browser, go to iCloud. And sign in with your Apple ID and 2FA code. This gives immediate access. Once done, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges and to let the initial sync complete. Now you navigate to your photo library. On iPhone or iPad, open the Photos app and use the Photos tab to scan by date. Use Albums to find camera roll or shared albums. On Mac, launch Photos and use sidebar views or the search field to locate faces, places, or keywords. On iCloud, click Photos and filter by years or months for fast scanning. To grab images, select multiple with Shift or Command, then export or download. Make sure to let large libraries finish loading before heavy operations. Finish by downloading or organizing your pictures. Select the items and choose Download or Share to save copies. Choose Originals when you need full resolution. If you want local copies on a Mac or PC, use Photos Export or iCloud for Windows. If photos aren't appearing, check iCloud storage space and your internet connection, then verify two-factor authentication prompts were approved. As a quick tip, log out and back in after confirming system status. This often forces a fresh sync and resolves stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.